And this is a great story about Sigma. When he was drafted, he and I were roommates. We rented a house together our first 2 years. We were rookies together, so I got to know Jack, and we still stay in touch with each other. But this is a great story. Don Nelson, back in the day, he was considered like the guru of picking talent and changing the game with point forwards and all this other stuff. And when Seattle drafted Jack, number one, with their first round pick, he was the 11th or 12th pick in the draft that year that I was drafted with him. Don Nelson of the Bucks at the time said that Jack was the worst first-round draft pick in the history of the NBA. So Jack and I are having pizza one night. He's telling me the story, and I'm saying, "Holy shit!" So we went down to Milwaukee. He wanted to play well against the Bucks, which he always did. But the best part of that story is 5 or 6 years later. I don't know how many years later it was, but Don Nelson traded 2 first-round draft picks and 3 players for Jack Sikma.
Yeah, and he closed out his career in Milwaukee. Yeah.
Yeah. How about that? So when that happened, I called him up. I said, "Hey, I guess you're not that bad anymore." But